Hi YouTube, I am Shweta. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a highly requested one. I have gotten so many tremendous amount of DMs, messages, suggestions, comments, WhatsApp messages saying that ma'am, we are going through a examination. We are very scared. We have not prepared. How will it be? Please create a video. So this is it. Your wish is my command. I'm going to do what you have asked me to do, and this is going to be examination focused tarot reading. So no matter who you are, no matter what your age group, no matter what kind of an examination you're giving, this is going to be the reading for you. Watch it fully and get the most of it. Whether you are a student who's giving a board examination, unit test, class test, or you are giving an entrance examination for this college for a college in India, abroad, or whether you're giving a competitive examination, GMAT, CAT, ZAT, I don't know, or UPSC preparations, or railways, bank, anything, no matter how many times you've given it, सब कुछ cover करूंगी. This is going to be a very important reading, and I just want to mention one thing before I go ahead, and I want everybody to watch it, is that whoever tells you that examinations don't matter is joking. Okay, I want to tell you on your face that examination marks do matter. You have to give your best. It is stupid to think that whatever position you're on doesn't determine your future. I till this day regret not studying properly in my board examinations, or not choosing the right course, or not choosing the right subjects, because had I chosen the right subjects, maybe my trajectory would have been different. I'm not complaining. I love what I'm doing, but life would have been easier. So please take this examination as seriously as possible. Please take this phase as seriously as possible. Yes, I'm going to be doing a reading, but don't let anybody tell you that नहीं matter नहीं करता है, it's okay, आपकी destiny तो लिखी हुई है. Definitely destiny लिखी हुई है, लेकिन there is a concept of free will, and I want you to execute it. I want you to execute it in the best way possible, in the most honest way possible, and in the most hardworking way possible, right? So before I go ahead, I wish you all the best. Crack it and let me know if you've done well. All right, let's go. So this is going to be a pick a pile reading. Obviously, everybody likes a pick a pile. I also do. So this is going to be a pick a pile. Basically, what I'm going to do is I'm going to be doing like what your current energies are, like how your preparation has been. Whatever good, bad, ugly, whatever it is, I'm going to cover. Then I'm going to be telling you what is the advice, like what do you need to do, what are the places you need to focus on, etc, etc. And then, very interestingly, I'm going to be doing an outcome energy, where we are going to basically see whether you will be able to crack your examination, yes or no, with this amazing dice that I have with me. So I have a couple of dice, so we will be checking with the dice. New divination tool, let me just try it. And yeah, we are going to be checking basically how you prepared you are, and whether you'll be able to crack the examination. Simple, crisp answer, yes or no. Okay, chalo. So this is going to be a pick-up pile. Two piles in front of me. One is a moonstone, one is a black tourmaline. Both amazing crystals. One is white in color, can you see that? And one is black in color, black and white kind of an energy. Pick a pile. Pile number one, pile number two. This is for you. Okay, so choose carefully, intuitively. I will be mentioning the timestamps in the description and in the pinned comment, so please check it out. Be very intuitive. Choose one and only stick to one. Or if you feel connected to both, that's also fine. All right, let's go. All right, so pile number one, if you have chosen this pile, Moonstone, this is going to be your tarot reading. Right off the bat, I feel like emotionally you are very overwhelmed. If you're a woman, then your menstruation cycles are up and down because of the stress that is happening around you. You must be wearing white or off-white, or light blue, pink, light pink, anything of that sorts. You must be having a very prominent moon in first house, moon in fifth house, moon in ninth house. All right, so let's see what are the current energies, like how your preparation is going on. What is it that is happening? Kya chal raha hai? Let's look at that, okay? It'll be a very free-flowing reading, so we're not going to complicate it too much, but yeah, let's lock in. Connect with me, connect with my energies. Let's see what is coming to me. How is pile A's preparation? How is pile A's preparation? Okay. I think that everything is on track, apart from there is this weird internal competition that you're having. I think that you are like there is some kind of a rivalry that is there and you are like मेरे को इससे better करना है, मतलब ऐसी कोई internal rivalry है, maybe it's like also between friends कि आप definitely कोई combined studies कर रहे हो or you're doing like combined studies and there's like an internal rivalry where both of you are although studying together but both of you are very focused on scoring more than the other person. So it's like a healthy competition that I see, as long as you're taking it in that spirit. I feel like the only way in which you can have a faltering is if you take this competition too seriously, and in that process you only focus on being better than the other person and not giving your best. Do you get it? So I can see that there's some kind of a proving energy ki, with the Chariot and the Five of Swords, like whenever this card also comes, right, Chariot, it talks about proving your mettle to a boss, to proving your mettle to your parents, proving your mettle to your friends. So there's a kind of an energy ki I'm sensing this energy where a lot of people have had a lot of expectations from you, and now people are chattering. People are saying, ki, are you sure you'll be able to do it? Like, even I'm getting an energy where distant relatives are kind of questioning you, ki, ho gaya. This could also be MBBS, NEET, those kind of examinations where, yeah, people are thinking that, there are too many opportunities that you're getting and you're not doing very well for it. And people are making this judgment about you. And now it has become like, I need to shut mouths. More than you wanting to prepare, more than you getting, like, dedicating your energies towards studies, it's almost like you are wanting to ensure कि यार ये चुप हो जाए. So, is this a good energy? Sort of, right? You have that fuel, you have that fire, you have the resilience, you have that kind of a perspective. It's very nice. That fuel is there. Indhan. Dhurandhar 2 देखी है मैंने, तो ईंधन है आपके पास, which is very, very nice. The only worry that I have is that you can fall into the trap of getting way too involved in a competitive environment, and that competitive zone can really eat you up. And that can actually be a very big thorn in the possibility of you scoring very, very, very well, right? Again, I feel like you should play on your strengths. Do the things that you, or study the way you know how to study. कुछ नया मत adopt करो. Don't adopt any new ways of studying. Don't look at new course, new syllabus, whatever. Like, in my times we used to be told कि आप HC Verma मत पढ़ो. Don't do RD Sharma, only do NCRT. So this is the advice that I'll also give you, that don't do anything extra. मतलब कर लो, I don't know, I'm not a teacher, but what I'm trying to say is that don't do anything that is new and you have never ever looked at it. Do things that are comfortable to you. Study the way it is comfortable for you. Study with the kind of environment that is comfortable to you. अपने comfort zone में study करना start कर लेना. You could be a fixed sign. You could be a Taurus, Scorpio, Aquarius, or a Leo. So this is very important for you guys as well, and Cancer people as well. So ये 5-6 लोगों को तो आपको समझ में आना चाहिए कि okay, you have to be very, very dedicated. Anything else that is coming to me? So yeah, how has your preparation been till now? It's been pretty good. I can see that you have been very pragmatic. बहुत ही practical approach आपने इस्तेमाल करा है. You have gone step by step, right? You could also be a Virgo, right? Like going one step at a time, and ensuring that you're visualizing. I can see that you are really looking at your goal and you're imagining yourself to be able to get that kind of a dream score or dream position or dream college. जो भी आप सोच रहे हो ना, वो आप actually actively visualize कर रहे हो, which is very good. In fact, I would recommend you to do that. I would recommend you to actually have like a poster of your dream score or dream this thing and place it right in front of your study table and visualize it. Like, the power of visualization is coming very strongly with the 3 of Wands. I also want you to do this, right? Comment on this YouTube video that I have got XYZ. Like, if say suppose you have to score 100 out of 100, I have scored 100 out of 100 in my board examinations, like something like that. Just comment it. Even that is an energy exchange. Even that is one step into that visualization process. So on this YouTube video, you should go ahead and do that, right? So I think that still now you are being very methodical with the preparation. काफी conventionality से आप handle कर रहे हो. There are some distractions. I want to see what. एक तो मैंने आपको बता दिया that there is some kind of a it could also be like you have a distraction of some kind of recent fight that you had, right? If you're in a relationship, maybe that is also an added. I am getting this very strong energy where you are studying while also having a new relationship or having a new crush on somebody, and now it's impacting your studies as well. So it's almost like before your examination there was no relationship or there was no seriousness. Suddenly in this exam time you have a lot of free time, and now you have kind of you're liking somebody, you've fallen in love, and now it's becoming a huge distracting element. Okay, it's not helping you at all. Okay, as I said, the 4 of Swords, I think that बहुत ज़्यादा ही मतलब बातचीत हो रही है, बहुत ज़्यादा ही मज़े भी हो रहे हैं. I feel like you're studying. Like, here's the thing, you know you're smart, and that's why you're being lazy. यू नो यार एंड मोमेंट पे तो मैं कर ही लूंगी, एंड मोमेंट पे तो हो ही जाएगा. तो ये एंड मोमेंट पे थोड़ा ज़्यादा छूटने की हो रही है कोशिश कि यार लास्ट डे आई विल डू एवरीथिंग, आई विल कवर एवरीथिंग, विच यू कैन एक्चुअली. आई डोंट वांट टू लाई, you can do it. But I do believe that there is too much of rest that is happening, or there is a level of disbalance also, where ठीक है, even if you're studying there should be equal amount of rest. If you're not studying at all, there should not be any rest at all. So there should be an equal balance कि मतलब if you are studying too much, then that's also a problem, because then you're not giving yourself rest. So there is like this balancing energy that you need to have, because I've gotten four of swords right below a chariot, so that balancing energy should be maintained even when you're resting. So कब आपको like you, I would also recommend to have a timetable, which I'm sure you have, कि you have to time it accordingly. When do you want to kind of push, when do you want to take a rest? I know resting cannot be timed like that. I also feel like sleep issues are there. Like I feel like you're not sleeping on time, like you're waking up, like your lifestyle is a big problem. So even if you're studying well, it's very big possibility that you can forget it because of lack of sleep, because of lack of hydration. You're not drinking, eating properly. I feel like you're like, this could also be this, right? You are not letting your body sleep because there is so much of pressure that you're putting on yourself, that you're only consuming coffee, and those elements that keep you up at night, which is not good. You have to be able to understand that. Don't take it too seriously. मतलब ऐसे भी हो सकता है that you're taking this examination a little too seriously also. So my point is that the idea of rest and work has to be in tandem with each other. It cannot be too much of rest, and it cannot be too much of hectic energy as well. All right, what else is coming in? What else is happening with Pile? You're carrying, oh man, I told you ना, there is this burden that you're carrying of external people कि लोग क्या कहेंगे. Like it's almost like now it's not about you clearing the examination, it's now you to shut people's mouths, and it's almost like an added pressure on you which you don't have to take at all. Somewhere the pressure is good with regards to the passion that you have and the vigor that you have कि यार you will never be lazy. Laziness तो मुझे नहीं दिख रही है कि हाँ कि you are procrastinating, ऐसा नहीं है. मतलब I feel like even if you're not procrastinating, it's not a healthy hard work that you're doing. It's almost like you're putting your body and your mind under so much of mental, emotional, physiological pressure कि मतलब अभी तो करना ही मरना है. सो आई एम अज्यूमिंग दैट यू माइट ऑल्सो बी फिजिकली सीइंग द सिम्टम्स. हेडेक्स होते होंगे आफ्टर स्टडिंग टू मच, बैक एक होता होगा, यू वुड नॉट, योर लेग्स वुड क्रैम्प अप, यू नो, योर फीट वुड गेट really cold, and your feet would be like very, like, you know, weak and numb because you're in that position for a very long time. I think that your minimum study time is like 8-9 hours. And you know what the problem is, that even in that 8-9 hours, it's not like you're dedicated all that in all the hours. कुछ में आप थोड़ा रिलैक्स कर रहे हो, थोड़ा डिस्ट्रैक्शन हो रहा है, थोड़ा रिलेशनशिप के प्रॉब्लम्स भी आ रहे हैं. So I'm sensing that even if you're giving 8-9 hours, it's not like you're dedicatedly giving 8-9 hours. So what's the point? Might as well cut down on 2-3 hours and give your all and lock in during that period of time. So I'm getting this energy where you're convincing yourself कि मैं तो 10 घंटे बैठ रही हूँ या बैठ रहा हूँ तो मैं तो अच्छा पढ़ाई कर रहा हूँ. But it really doesn't matter. Actually what matters is that 1 hour of like push, मतलब बिल्कुल ही locked in हो, एकदम focus आपका बहुत ही like crazy level पे है. That is the kind of energy that you should be having. It's not about the quantity, it's about the quality of the effort that you're putting in, right? Even with the 7 of Wands, I feel like there are so many external environments that are literally, like I feel like there are so many things that are waiting for you to be pulled down. मतलब मैं आपको बोलूँगी कि बहुत लोग आपके डाउनफॉल का वेट कर रहे हैं, बहुत लोग चाहते हैं कि आप एग्जामिनेशन ना क्लियर करो. A lot of people are waiting for you to fail. I am telling you this, and somewhere even you know it. And this is a very lonely journey, right? I'm being honest, like even family can't help you. Like it can help you at a certain extent, but at the end of the day, it's a lonely journey. It's a lone kind of a it's a one track kind of an energy. आप अकेले ही होगे, right? In that examination, there is nobody who's going to come and help you. Not your teacher, not your tuition teacher, not your friend, not your family, not your, like, yes, your spirit guides as well, not your tarot reader as well. So it's only you. So what I'm trying to say is कि हमेशा आप ये mindset रखना कि जब आप पढ़ाई कर रहे हो तो आप बिल्कुल ही अपने आप को as a priority समझो कि यार ये मेरा effort है, this is my examination, only I can decide whether I'm going to clear it or I'll fail it. अगर fail करूँगा या करूँगी तो अपने खुद के वजह से करूँगी, किसी और की वजह से नहीं करूँगी. No relationship can be the reason for my failure. No you know, competitive energy can be the reason of my failure and for my passing. I'm not just saying failure, and for my passing. You know, nobody should get the privilege of your failures, you know, and nobody should obviously get the privilege of your successes. It's you only, and you are the one who has to deal with it. So I feel like there is this kind of a एनर्जी देखो, ऐसा नहीं है दैट दिस पर्सन इज नॉट रीचिंग हिज होम, ही इज रीचिंग हिज होम, ही इज, आप क्लियर कर लोगे अल्टीमेटली, लेट्स सी विद द डाइस, बट यू नो वेर यू वॉन्ट टू गो, बट वो इतना ज़्यादा ही आपने ओवर कॉम्प्लिकेट कर दिया है सिचुएशन में. देर आर सो मेनी फैक्टर्स दैट आर कमिंग इन, पेरेंटल प्रेशर, कॉम्पिटिटिव एनवायरमेंट, रिलेशनशिप प्रॉस्पेक्ट, योर ओन health is not really in store, really supporting you. Also the kind of syllabus that you're having, it's very very hard. मतलब it's not an easy subject, it's not an easy examination, it's not like आप हलवे की तरह पढ़ाई मतलब कर सकते हो, it's not that easy at all. So like you're taking all of it together and you're going towards that studying time, and it's almost like subconsciously it is running in your mind. So I feel like either you completely like let it go and completely be free of all these shackles, या आप उस प्रेशर में आके ये बोलो कि ठीक है, for now I'm going to be studying under pressure, but when it is time for me to give examination, मैं सब कुछ फाइट करूंगा, I'll fight everything. Right now you are kind of being like, okay, I'll take everything together and मैं वो fuel, I'll create that as a friction for my studies. I'll create this as a friction to do better, to be able to show up for myself. But when you're giving that examination, it should be like, now I'm fighting you, I'm fighting you, I'm fighting you, I'm fighting you, and I'll turn out to be a victor, right? So there is this kind of an energy of a fighting spirit, like fighter wali energy bahut aa rahi hai. Even like you, like it's almost like you're going on a war. Like this examination is like a do or die kind of a thing. I'm sure I am getting an energy where this could be a last attempt for some of you, कि मतलब दिस इज इट, कि इसके बाद अगर पास हुए तो हुए, नहीं तो खत्म सीन. सो इट्स ऑलमोस्ट लाइक यू गोइंग ऑन अ वॉर. लाइक लुक एट दिस मैन, ही इज लाइक वेयरिंग आर्मर. इट्स ऑलमोस्ट लाइक आप एक लड़ाई के लिए जा रहे हो, जंग जीतने जा रहे हो, एंड देयर आर सो मेनी अनॉमलीज दैट आर ट्राइंग टू काइंड ऑफ पिन यू डाउन, राइट? सो एनीथिंग एल्स दैट इज कमिंग टू मी, लेट्स लुक इट फ्रॉम हियर एज वेल. ओके, सो लेट्स सी व्हाट यू शुड फोकस ऑन. प्रिपरेशन अच्छी रही है आपकी, लेट्स सी व्हाट यू नीड टू फोकस ऑन. I definitely feel like there are certain subjects that you know intuitively. आपको कुछ topics एकदम intuitively आते हैं, and I feel like there is little bit of lack of trust here. I want you to believe that there are certain things that you're naturally gifted at. You know, there are certain topics or there are certain chapters in your studies, or there are certain topics that you know it very well. तो आपको उसको constantly उसको second guess मत करो. Don't go back and keep learning, keep practicing. वो आ गया आपको, आपके like what I'm trying to say is that if you have prepared for something and you know it has been in your mind, don't question it. Don't doubt your preparation. I feel like that is one thing that I will tell you, is that you are preparing very well, but there is a level of doubt. There is a constant like revisiting the same chapter, same revision. नया टॉपिक नहीं टच कर रहे हो आप. मे बी दिस इज ऑल्सो अ थिंग दैट यू आर नॉट वांटिंग टू डू अ डिफिकल्ट टॉपिक एंड यू आर काइंड ऑफ अवॉइडिंग इट, और यू प्रोक्रेस्टिनेटिंग इनटू स्टडिंग अ डिफिकल्ट टॉपिक. दैट्स व्हाई यू कीप रिविजिटिंग द थिंग्स दैट यू हैव लर्न. पढ़ लिया है, समझ में आ गया, मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट वन. डोंट कीप सर्कलिंग बैक, डोंट कीप लूपिंग बिहाइंड वॉट एवर यू हैव स्टडीड. यू हैव टू बी एबल टू बी trusting your own, like you should be able to trust your own thinking skills, right? Your own क्या बोलते हैं, brain power, right? So have that kind of an ability to be able to know that if I have studied once, I know it. I also want to give you like a slight advice that before studying, right, just do some kind of a spiritual activity, right? Either you can listen to a guided meditation, or you can do a subliminals बहुत अच्छे होते हैं or for examinations, and you will see a like slight difference in the way you're studying. You'll have a eidetic memory. You know what is an eidetic memory? Eidetic होता है, I don't know what is it, what it's called, but basically you will feel like the moment you have like you're done with this meditation and you sit to study, you'll automatically feel like whatever you're studying, it's being imprinted in your mind, and it's almost like your mind is taking a screenshot of it, और आपको याद रहेगा. मतलब you will not have to mug up. It will almost be like eidetic memory. Yeah, you will almost feel like you are studying, reading, and it's being imprinted in your mind, and you don't have to revisit it again. This is because you're trusting, or you're kind of taking that one step of one additional step of being a little more meditative, being a little more intuitive, and using your third eye energy. So meditating on your third eye can really help you. This is a very very specific advice, because you have a moon's energy. So moon is very intuitive led, it's very focused on your intuition. So intuition is something that I want you to manage when you are preparing for this examination. So try doing that. Let me know if that helped. Before studying, just focus on the third eye, just meditate, imagine your third eye opening, imagine a white light entering that third eye, and imagine it engulfing your entire body. Like you should do this, okay? And then close it, thank the energies, thank the universe, and then sit to study. And tell me if it is not easier for you to remember certain concepts. And I'm sure it will, right? So that is what is coming to me. What else should you be focusing on? Damn, okay? This was kind of flying out. Persevere and you will overcome problems. I definitely feel like this has to do with Ten of Wands as well. I think the energy is not of not thinking about these problems. The energy is not of कि ठीक है आप इन सारे situations को ignore करो, जो भी आपके इर्द गिर्द चल रहा है, जो भी chatter चल रहा है, जो भी आपके दिमाग में चल रहा है, जो भी आपके जहन में चल रहा है, do not neglect it, do not ignore it, work under it, persevere. You have to be able to understand that these things that are happening around you is a way for you. It's like a stroke of synergy, it's a stroke of energy, it's a push, it's fuel for you. Utilize it. I've got the camel energy. Camel ka hump dekha hai? That's a concept where if you understand that a camel's hump stores all the water, and because it's in the desert, whenever the camel is requiring water, it kind of takes it from here. That is what you should be a camel. कि आपका जो भी problem है, जो भी energy है, वो आपके back में होना चाहिए, not back, but it should be in the back of your mind or wherever. And don't not think about it. Don't let it get to you, but utilize it as a fuel. For example, अगर किसी ने आपको बोला यार तू नहीं कर सकता, नहीं कर सकती, the moment you feel like यार आज के लिए हो गया बस, I can't do more, just remember that one sentence that somebody said that you can't do anymore. You'll be like, no, I'll sit for at least more 15 minutes. Last 15 minutes is going to make or break your preparation. So that is what I'm trying to say. Keep that as a fuel. Keep that as a reminder. Whenever I feel like, yeah, I don't think I can do it, do a little more. So using, like, I feel like you should persevere. You should utilize these negations that are happening to you in your strength. Like, use it as a stride, and you're going to win against a lot of people. Okay, so that is what is coming to me. Anything else? Yeah, I do believe that this is okay, this could be a little bit of a funny thing that I'm telling you, कि ये सोचो कि यार इसके बाद तो एग्जामिनेशन खत्म, इसके बाद तो चिल करना है. सो कीप दैट ऑल्सो एज अ गोल कि यार इसके बाद नहीं करना पड़ेगा मुझे, इसके बाद मैं रिलैक्स करूंगा, इसके बाद मैं गेम्स खेलूंगा, मैं बाहर जाऊंगी, मैं जो करना है मैं करूंगी. लाइक कीप दैट ऑल्सो एज अ माइंड थिंग कि यार बस एग्जामिनेशन ही तो है, मौत का खेल तो ही ना है, लग रहा है वैसे बट नहीं है. आफ्टर दिस इट्स जस्ट happiness. So this is what I also used to do. Like, I used to be like, after every board examinations, only 2 left, only 1 left. Now after this I'm free, and then I'll close all my books. और जब बचपन में होती थी मैं, तो I used to like do teaching, मतलब ऐसे I used to tick mark, and then I used to give a star, and I used to say very good, and give my sign also. So I used to wait for that moment कि हाँ examination खत्म होगा, and I'll check my notebooks. Okay, so just what I'm trying to say is कि this is something that is going to be a temporary thing. Okay, yes, examinations are important, they are very important, but it's going to have like it's going to end. So keep that as a goal कि यार इसके बाद तो है ही नहीं, इसके बाद तो खत्म है, इससे अच्छा एक like let me just give my all ना, let me just give one nice shot ताकि all's well that ends well वाली energy आ जाए, right? So that is what my advice to you will be. Anything else? Okay, some of you are waiting, like I don't know, some of you will get some of you are preparing since November, some of you are really preparing since the past 6 months. I think September November se preparation ho rahi hai. I also feel like you are supposed to right now be, but if okay, say suppose you have your examinations in this month, in the last 2 or 3 weeks of your studies, don't prepare anything new. Just don't prepare anything new. जो भी आपको अभी तक पढ़ाई हुई है आपकी, just study that, defend whatever you have studied, don't do anything new. अगर आपने नया कुछ करा, then it is going to be a problem, you will not be able to study properly. The idea is that right now the focus should be how many like days are left. If 14 days or less are left, then just shield whatever you've studied, just prepare whatever you studied. कुछ नया पढ़ने की कोशिश मत करो, it's a little too late now, right? So I feel like the moment there are lesser days, you don't have to study too much, and ये last moment पे preparation करना बंद करो, especially on days which are very very crucial for you. बच्चे करते हैं ये, आप मत करो, ठीक है? Please mature up when it comes to studies, be serious, and don't do last minute preparations because it doesn't help anybody. Okay? Yeah, I feel again, keep your life in balance. मैंने क्या कहा था आपको balance के बारे में? Literally, I told you right now that everything should be in a balance, right? I am not asking you to overstudy. I am not asking you to take overburden. I am also not asking you to not take burden. I am not asking you to also not rest too much. सब कुछ बैलेंस में करो कि आप बर्डन भी करेक्टली ले रहे हो, आप एफर्ट भी करेक्टली दे रहे हो, आप रिलैक्सेशन भी करेक्टली कर रहे हो, एंड आप you are able to find time for other things as well. Like I'm saying that even your distractions, they are supposed to come. आप distractions के लिए भी time दो भाई, आप अपने phone को भी चलाओ, लेकिन एक correct time, like there should be a right moment in which you are like studying, preparing. There has to be like a correct weighing of everything. अगर आपने कुछ भी कहीं पे भी ज़्यादा ऊपर नीचे कर लिया, then it is going to be a big problem, right? So again, like all these cards are kind of telling me that you have everything that it is needed to be able to study well. It's just these last few pointers, you know, is the last few things that you have to kind of keep in mind, the last few approach changes that you should have, okay? So preparation is fine. It's not like you've not studied, but this is like something that you need to add on to your life, okay? Anything else? Yeah, I think that if you have, like, take it from me, if you have been waiting for this examination to crack since years, मतलब 1 साल 2 साल 3 साल हो गए हैं, and you're continuously keep reattempting, your waiting will pay off, your effort, hard work will pay off. I feel like this has been a long time coming. बहुत टाइम से आपने efforts डाले हैं, बहुत टाइम से आपने examinations crack करने की कोशिश करी. I'm getting an energy of people wanting to crack civil services, सिविल एग्जाम, लाइक बोलते हैं ना कि यूपीएससी एग्जामिनेशंस बहुत टाइम से आपने कोशिश करी है, एंड सम और द अदर सिचुएशन, किसी की शादी आ गई, किसी का इवेंट आ गया, कोई somebody passed away in the home, some or the other big event has happened, it has not happened, it has never gone your way. Last moment तब आप गए हो, and एक मार्क्स से छूट गया, 2 मार्क्स से छूट गया, बहुत ही बुरी तरह से आप हारे हो. And this is going to be that realization that hard work that you did, that waiting that you did, that perseverance that you did will pay off, right? I feel like your best asset, your biggest strength is your memorization or your intuition power. Utilize it. मैंने आपको पहले भी बोला था, मून एनर्जी आपकी भाई, आपकी इंट्यूशन बहुत अच्छी है, मून के बच्चे हो आप. यू कुड बी अ 2 number as well. You have the God gift of having a very high power meditative energies. Use it in your stride. क्योंकि ये क्या होता है ना, ये अगर आपने करेक्टली नहीं देखा तो ये आपको फैंटेसी लैंड में डाल देता है, ये आपको डिल्यूजन में डाल देता है, ये आपको इट गिव्स यू अ सेंस ऑफ फैंटेसी कि हाँ ओके आई हैव स्टडीड बट यू हैव नॉट स्टडीड इन रियलिटी. यू थिंक दैट आपने इससे पन्ने पढ़ लिए हैं एंड आपको समझ में आ गया है, जस्ट रीडिंग द टॉपिक एंड थिंकिंग कि हाँ ये तो मुझे पता है, ये तो मुझे, बट आपको एक्चुअली नहीं पता है. व्हेन यू आर रीडिंग अ टॉपिक एंड व्हेन यू आर एक्चुअली रीडिंग दिस डेफिनेशन ऑफ इट, it's a very different ball game. So I feel like you have to be able to utilize that intuition in the right spirit in a balanced way, right? Anything else? Growth feels slow. Yeah, I feel like jo studies aap kar rahe ho, it will feel very slow. It will feel like, yaar, I'm studying every single day. Every day I'm putting my efforts in, but it's looking very slow. It's not looking as if I'm completely having everything set and everything is sorted. ऐसा feel नहीं आ रहा है, नहीं होगा भी, because the right kind of growth is going to come over time. It's not like today you've learned and tomorrow you'll remember and immediately you'll get a hang of it. That means that it has not gone into your long term, like it's not gone into the brain, which is keeping things for long term. It's only keeping things for short term. I'm sure that there are certain concepts that you have in your brain for a long term energy. Long term energy तब होती है जब आप एक बहुत ही डेडिकेटेड वे में पढ़ाई करते हो. somebody teaches you very well. One of my teachers has taught me very nice concepts of chemistry and I still remember it. Some Sanskrit shloks I still remember it, or some physics concepts I still remember, like rotational motion and all of that. Yeah, all of that, right? So my point is that if you are feeling that the growth is slow, that means you're putting things in your long term brain. That is very good. तो अगर आपको लग रहा है कि okay, everything is immediate, everything is on the fingertips, that means short term है, एंड मोमेंट पे पूरा वाइप आउट होने वाला है, सब कुछ ब्लैंक हो जाएगा. सो इफ यू आर फीलिंग योर ग्रोथ इज स्लो, इट्स अ गुड थिंग, बिकॉज यू आर गोइंग टू रिमेंबर इट फॉर अ लॉन्गर टाइम. यू आर गोइंग टू हैव इट नॉट गेटिंग वाइप्ड आउट ऑफ योर मेमोरी ऑन द डे इट मैटर्स. सो it's good that if you are thinking that okay, your improvement or your study patterns is feeling slow, it's not looking as fast, and सब बाकी सबको तो सारे टॉपिक्स आते हैं, आप ही वहाँ पे पहुँचे नहीं हो, तो ऐसे लग सकता है, but it's a good sign. Okay, lastly, anything else? Let's see universe's message for you, and then we'll come on to the outcome. सीधा outcome पे आएंगे. ये main concept है, outcome क्या है भाई? Okay, any God's message universe? Okay, one card just fell, so I'm going to be... Adjustments are required. Definitely, I feel like there are certain places where आपको समझना होगा कि there will be days where your mind will shut off. There will be days where your body will not be able to study. Adjust it. In that moment, prepare what you already prepare. Or maybe listen to audio notes पढ़ो, या like notes को सिर्फ just skim through your notes, right? There will be places where your body will just not want to study. There will be places where your body will completely completely hands on. In that moment you have to adjust when it comes to like eating or drinking. एक दिन आपको maybe खाना skip करना पड़ेगा. I'm not trying to say that you have to skip meals, but what I'm trying to say is that you have to adjust somewhere. There will be some levers that will be up and down. हर दिन आप 100 नहीं दे सकते हो. Sometimes your body will be 20, sometimes it will be 70, sometimes it will be 10, sometimes it will be 80. You have to be able to accommodate your body, your rhythm, your momentum in that manner. Adjust wherever you can, adjust in the right way possible. Maturity से पढ़ाई करनी है. अंधों जैसे पढ़ाई नहीं करनी है, स्टूपिडिटी से पढ़ाई नहीं करनी है, स्मार्टली एक बहुत ही क्लियर हेडेड एक टॉपर की तरह पढ़ाई करनी है, एक अचीवर की तरह पढ़ाई करनी है, राइट? हलवे की तरह पढ़ाई नहीं करनी है. दैट इज व्हाट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एनीथिंग एल्स? Surrender to the divine. I really feel like before going for the examination, proper एक मतलब एक प्रॉपर रिचुअल या एक मंदिर में माथा टेक के आ जाओ. जस्ट प्रे टू गॉड, सरेंडर टू द डिवाइन. आई थिंक डिवाइन विल बी एबल टू हेल्प यू. I don't think the universe is saying that, listen, surrender to me. So if you can, like right before the examination, एक भगवान का नाम लो, नमः पार्वती पते, हर हर महादेव, ये बोल लो, कुछ भी बोल लो यार, and just go for it. Like that will give you so much strength right up. Like I am getting so much strength saying that, कि automatically वो power आ जाएगी, automatically जो भी कचरा खिचड़ी चल रही है दिमाग में, उससे वो आप ऐसे निकल जाएगा. And what will require is you and your focus and your answers and your questions. बस surrender to the divine. Let God handle it. भगवान को बोलो कि भाई अब तक मैंने जो, भाई मतलब dear God, whatever I've studied. Now I'm leaving up to you. बस बचा ले कैसे भी करके. Just do that. Don't do the mistake of like, if you pass me, then I'm going to चढ़ाओ पता नहीं 1 लीटर दूध, 2 लीटर दूध, 3 लीटर दूध, ऐसे चीजें मत करना. Just surrender to the divine and just believe that whatever you studied, if you're doing well, and luck will be on your favor, right? So that is what it is. Now we're going to check basically how whether you're going to pass this examination. This is going to be a dice divination. So basically I have 2 dice in front of me and I'm going to basically read whether it is a yes or a no. Very like there's no additional information. ठीक है, additional information expect मत करना, dice है, tarot नहीं है. So simple yes or no whether you're going to be able to pass your examination. We're going to check. Okay, let's see. Okay, 6 and 1, 7. Mostly it is a yes. The thing is that I feel like there is lack of faith here. So आपको थोड़ा faith दिखाना पड़ेगा. It's a yes only. 7 is a lucky number, so definitely it's a yes. कि you will be able to pass your examination. Just there is a lack of faith. There's a lack of belief. There is a lack of conviction. Just trust the universe. As I told you, surrender to the divine, because there's a feeling of like I have prepared, but I don't know whether it is good enough, and there are so many other people who are doing as good as me. So you can take a lot of pressure. Like थोड़ा सा you need some kind of a rebuilding of the faith that is there. So once you're able to get that, I think you'll be able to definitely clear the examination. It is a yes, तो आप clear तो exam कर रहे हो. And do let me know how it goes. I do want to know कि आपके examinations कैसे गए. Please claim this energy. Do comment, like, save, share this video, and subscribe to my channel. And hype this video if you liked it. Let other people also see it. And if you want to book a personal session, then you can definitely do so. It is the information is in my description below. And anything else that I'm going to tell you? That's it. All right. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye. All right. So pile number 2, the people who have chosen the black tourmaline, this is going to be your tarot reading for how your examinations are going to be. So as you know, this is going to be a very specific energy. This is going to be a timeless reading. So whenever you're watching this, it is going to make sense. What we're going to do is we're going to check how your preparation is. What is it that you're doing till now? What is the past energy like? What do you need to focus on? What is the guidance? What is the advice? And then very simply with my dice divination here, my 2 dice here, we are going to basically see whether you're going to crack it, yes or no. Crisp, simple answer हम देखेंगे कि are you cracking the examination or not. So right off the bat, let's see. So you must be people who are very focused. थोड़ा सा है determination है, थोड़ी सी lack of grounded energy दिख रही है, थोड़ा सा intensity ज़्यादा है. There are certain places where either you're too intense or you're completely laid back. थोड़ा सा up and down energy दिख रहा है. You could be wearing black, grey, red, pink, green, blue. That's it. Okay. So let's see. And you could also be a Virgo, Capricorn, or a Taurus. And let's see how your preparations are. I'm also getting Aquarius. I'm also getting Libra. So, and Scorpio somehow. Okay. Let's see how your preparation is. मैंने कहा था ना कुछ ज़्यादा ही मतलब intense, high intense, low intense हो रहा है चीज़ें. Dedicated ho, passionate ho. There is this examination that you really do care about. It really matters to you. Like obviously every examination matters to you, but for you it matters a little more than others. कि थोड़ा सा है एक sense of यार ये तो करना ही है, ये तो crack करना ही है. This has been my dream. This has been something that I want to do. I want to make myself proud. I want to see myself in that position, right? So this is something that actually something you're passionate about, enthusiastic about. Anything else? You like the subjects. I do believe that आपको पसंद है. You like the subjects that you're studying. It's not that you don't like it. but you get bored easily, right? And I also feel like you are not completing, like I think that you are having multiple subjects or multiple topics और आप सारे topics को एक 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 chapter पढ़ रहे हो, complete नहीं कर रहे हो कोई भी topic को, right? I feel like, say suppose if you're studying like in biology, maybe if you're studying, I don't know what topics are, but you're studying one topic का एक एक definition and then you're going ahead and again, you're not finishing anything, right? And you get bored very easily, मतलब आप टिक नहीं सकते हो, you cannot focus at one point of time. It's like it really is very difficult for you to sit at one place and be like, okay, now for 4 hours 5 hours 6 hours I'm going to study. बहुत ही टूट के पढ़ाई होती है, मतलब you study in breaks, lot of breaks, right? Although there is a sense of confidence, I feel like sometimes you can get a little overconfident as well कि हाँ मेरे को तो आता है, सब कुछ आता है, मेरे को तो ये बाएं हाथ का खेल है. Maybe things are simpler for you to understand, maybe you have already studied it before, maybe you have external help around you, you know, last year's question papers. Okay, this card just jumped, so let's see. Yeah, I feel like there is a, like, you know, with the 9 of wands I feel like there are places where you're not really committing properly. commit नहीं कर पा रहे हो कि ठीक है आप पढ़ रहे हो, ऊपर से पढ़ रहे हो, surface level पढ़ रहे हो, you're not able to really commit to the topic, you're not able to really fully dive into it and research about it and really take the juice out of it. You're studying like you're studying but you're not studying properly. You are having books in front of you but your mind is elsewhere, right? And there's also a feeling where you are having this kind of a perception कि यह हो जाएगा, like I'll be able to understand, like ये तो इतना simple है, ये तो हो ही जाएगा, like you're overestimating की energy आ रही है, and you're not committing properly. You're just standing there waiting कि हाँ मेरे को आ जाएगा समझ, but आपको commit करना पड़ेगा यार, आपको effort डालना पड़ेगा. And I also feel like this has been happening since childhood. मतलब this is not a new thing कि आप बचपन से ही थोड़े से ऐसे हो कि I feel like you might be having ADHD also. Like you focus at one particular moment and then you're completely detached for hours and hours to come. Like उसके बाद कोई आपको बिठा के पढ़ा नहीं सकता है, बिल्कुल नहीं. ना आप खुद पढ़ सकते हो ना आपको कोई पढ़ा सकता है. Anything else that is happening right now? Yeah, you know, you asked, like I feel like you're not, like you have big aspirations, like you have big dreams, you have this kind of a internal kind of a you know, like you have this kind of a wish that you want to crack this examination. I am definitely seeing people wanting to go abroad, people wanting to get, you know, colleges abroad, people wanting to get, you know, crack examinations for abroad, you know, colleges and jobs, etc. But थोड़ा सा comfort zone में हो आप, you know, you're not really धक्के नहीं खा रहे हो आप. I feel like थोड़ा धक्के खाने की जरूरत है आपको, right? I feel like you need a little bit of push with regards to a discomfort. You're a little too much in a comfortable zone. You know, you're having a very nice routine, you're eating well, you're sleeping well. You know, I want to tell you that you should firstly cut down on your comforts. For example, phone को हटाओ सबसे पहले तो phone को हटाना ही है. Phone should be out of your reach. That is the first thing. Second thing is, don't allow yourself to sleep more than 8 hours. 10 घंटा 12 घंटा सोने की कोशिश हो रही है. All wands energy is coming to me. Grounded energy नहीं है. You're studying but just in a rush. You're in rush. मतलब बस खत्म हो जाए पढ़ाई. मतलब आप बैठे हुए हो, वो किताब सामने है, चलो डन. ये नहीं होता है पढ़ाई भाई. पढ़ाई होता है कि आप पढ़ो, उसको 2-3 बार लिखो, उसको ग्रहण करो, उसको समझो, then try to explain it yourself, then imagine that you are teaching it to somebody. Like it's a full on process. What you're doing is you're only doing one step, that you studied, okay, I know this, okay, keyword समझ गए, that's it. You know what the problem is? That this is never going to retain. This is a fleeting energy, fleeting. अभी आपको याद रहेगा, उसके बाद 2 मिनट में ऐसे उड़ जाएगा. So I feel like this, like too many wands here are also telling me that there is just too much fire कि करना है, but क्यों करना है, क्या करना है, कैसे करना है, वो सब नहीं है, बस करना है. I just want to do it. मतलब you have this kind of a thing that examination है, मैं तो फाड़ दूंगी या फाड़ दूंगा, मैं तो कर लूंगा, लेकिन कैसे भाई? How? In your current lifestyle you will be able to do it. I feel like there is worry. I'm not saying that there's no worry, but in your subconscious mind you're not doing anything about that worry. You know, firstly I'm not telling you on your face, get rid of that phone. आप ये वीडियो देख रहे हो ना टैरो रीडिंग के ऊपर, इसके बाद बंद कर देना है फोन को हटाओ, लॉक करो, कहीं रख दो. यू हैव टू डिटैच योरसेल्फ फ्रॉम द फोन बिकॉज देयर इज वे टू मच ऑफ डिस्ट्रैक्शन विद दैट फोन विद रिगार्ड्स टू, यू नो, थिंकिंग. लाइक आई ऑल्सो फील लाइक देयर इज सम काइंड ऑफ अ, यू नो, यू आर मीटिंग सम फ्रेंड्स, तो उसके बारे में सोचा जा रहा है कि हाँ आज मैं शाम को खेलने जाऊंगी, मैं शाम को इसके साथ, यू नो, कॉफी पीने जाऊंगी, यू नो, आई डू दिस, आई डू दैट. आई ऑल्सो फील लाइक इफ यू हैव अ पेट एनिमल, देन वो पेट एनिमल के साथ भी आप थोड़ा डिस्ट्रैक्शन कर ही लेते हो, दैट यू प्ले अलॉन्ग विद दैट पेट टू मच. और पेट आ जाता है तो आप बोल देते हो कि यार पेट ने मेरे सारे नोट्स खा लिए तो मैं पढ़ाई नहीं करूंगा. You know, so it's like there's a kind of immaturity in the way you're studying, so just fix that. Okay, it's not that you are not talented, क्योंकि talent तो है भाई, you know, you are very very talented, you have what it takes to actually crack this examination. बस थोड़ा सा ना reel in करो, थोड़ा सा step back and be a little more grounded, you know. That is what is the advice here. Anything else that is coming to me? बताओ जी बताओ. Yeah, as I told you, grounded energy. I think that you should ask one of your parents to be accountable for your studies. I think that you should tell your mother or your father that अगर मैंने फोन छुआ तो आप मुझे ग्राउंडेड कर लो, या आप मुझे पैसे मत देना, मुझे पॉकेट मनी मत देना, या आप मुझे खाना मत देना, मतलब कुछ ऐसा ही करना पड़ेगा आपको, ऐसे पैंतरे आजमाने पड़ेंगे. और आई डू बिलीव दैट यू वुड से दैट यू नो व्हाट, आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू स्टडी इन दिस एनवायरमेंट वेयर माई फ्रेंड्स एंड ऑल आर, आई विल गो बैक टू माई ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स प्लेस एंड देयर आई स्टडी, जहाँ पे कोई भी लाइक कोई भी ऐसे स्टिमुलेशन नहीं है, देयर इज नो कैफे, देयर इज नो नथिंग, गांव में पढ़ाई करूंगा, समथिंग ऑफ दैट सॉर्ट्स आई एम गेटिंग, राइट. आई ऑल्सो फील लाइक विद द 10 of Pentacles there is a sense of family expectation that is there, and you know, here's the thing, the family expectation is like, भाई बेटा just do well, you know, it's not even that heavy of a pressure कि आपके फैमिली आपको प्रेशर नहीं दे रहे हैं, बट आपको ऐसे लग रहा है कि यू नो लाइक आई फील लाइक योर फैमिली इज हेल्दीली पुशिंग यू एंड you're not understanding it. You're thinking that that is a lot of pressure, या मेरे पेरेंट्स मेरे को ऐसे बोल रहे हैं ऐसे बोल रहे हैं, but they're just telling you to do well. You know what I'm feeling is that your study pattern is giving me very half-hearted energy कि you are not understanding that when you prepare for an examination, and अगेन आप बच्चे हो या यू आर वेरी यंग और मे बी यू आर इन दैट एग्जामिनेशन मोड, आपको फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा यार, एग्जामिनेशन में तो ही तो है, दे दो, खत्म करो, बट you're not enjoying it, you're not learning the important lessons of it, right? You're not एप्लीकेशन बेस्ड पढ़ाई नहीं हो रही है, बस पढ़ाई करने के लिए पढ़ाई हो रही है. यू नॉट अंडरस्टैंडिंग व्हाट इज बीइंग टॉट, राइट? यू नॉट अंडरस्टैंडिंग व्हाई दिस इज इंपॉर्टेंट. यू नो मे बी दैट ऑन द हाइंड साइड यू कुड बी एक्चुअली बी एबल टू एंजॉय द सब्जेक्ट. तो एंजॉयमेंट इज नॉट अबाउट द सब्जेक्ट, एंजॉयमेंट इज अबाउट द अदर थिंग्स. एंजॉयमेंट है बट अपने कंफर्ट थिंग्स के है, डिस्ट्रैक्शंस के बारे में एंजॉयमेंट है. व्हाई डोंट यू ब्रिंग दैट एंजॉयमेंट इन योर स्टडीज? व्हाई डोंट यू थिंक अबाउट स्टडिंग in a way which actually makes you feel excited about that topic, makes you feel excited about that subject? Why don't you relate your personal situations in that studies, you know? So I'm getting that energy where that groundedness also comes from the idea that there's no seriousness with regards to, like, serious ho aap, I'm not saying that you're not serious, but not in the way that you're supposed to be serious. It's very half-hearted, like it's giving me half-hearted energy. Anything else? And that's the thing, like you have the potential to actually make your parents proud, you have the potential to actually kill this examination. मतलब आप प्रॉपर सेट कर सकते हो अपने आप को. 9 of Cups, अभी जस्ट मैंने बोला कि आपका ये विश फुलफिल हो जाएगा, बट आप ना थोड़े से पॉम्पस हो रहे हो. यू आर बीइंग, एंड आई एम टेलिंग यू ऑन योर फेस दैट नो मैटर हाउ प्रिपेयर्ड यू आर, नो मैटर व्हाट यू थिंक यू हैव स्टडीड, देयर इज स्टिल one topic that is left. ये end moment तक रहेगा. This will be till the last day of the examination. No matter how well you've prepared, no matter how great you've studied, blah 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 blah, one topic or one chapter has still not been covered and is going to be like it'll come to you, like it will bite you in the back कि अगर आपने you know ये समझने की कोशिश नहीं करी कि आपको ढंग से पढ़ाई करनी है, blah 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 blah, वो एक टॉपिक आपका मेक और ब्रेक कर सकता है. I'm not saying that you'll not be able to get the, you know, you'll not be able to get the score that you want. You will be able to, but वो 1 mark से रह जाओगे या 2 mark से रह जाओगे, where you could have a potential of really doing very very well for yourself, right? Anything else that is coming to me? Let's see this deck. Let's see this deck. Yeah, I don't know why, but I feel like if you're in a relationship, then also tell your partner to be able to you know, push you further to be able to study. If you are, you know, like dating somebody, then I think utilizing that also कि आप अपने partner को बोलो कि यार चल मेरा ये topic मेरे से पूछ, you know, so you can actually take help of somebody else. This could also be a sibling, this could also be a friend that you're actually using. देखो distraction है अभी, है ना, but why don't you use that distraction as a way to improve yourself? तो अगर say suppose relationship में हो आप and you want to kind of use this as a tool to help yourself, then ask your partner only कि यार we'll not talk until I, you know, get this definition एकदम correctly or I'm able to get this topic correctly. So involve these people, involve your distractions to make you understand better. Anything else? Yeah, I feel like if you're a woman, right, if you're a woman, you have to be able to, like this is specifically for women who are giving examinations, be very very cutthroat. I feel like आप ना थोड़ा सा ऐसे हो कि यार नहीं हुआ तो ठीक है घर पे बैठ जाऊंगी. Like I feel I'm sorry but it is true. Like I want you to be ambitious, I want you to be like, I will not allow personal, you know, my like not personal life, but I don't want to be domestic. तो ये like this is for women only कि you have to be able to be the best, and there is no other way than kicking everybody's basically, right? So you have to be able to like, don't think कि हाँ इसके अगर ये नहीं हुआ तो शादी करा लेंगे मेरे घर वाले, हाँ अगर ये नहीं हुआ तो मैं कुछ टीचिंग कर लूंगी. I mean, no hate to teaching, sorry, no hate to teachers, my mother is a teacher, but what I'm trying to say is that there shouldn't be like a plan B. You have to put it, like you have to push through. Like I feel like there is also like a level of comfort, क्योंकि maybe this could also be like some of you are thinking कि अगर नहीं हो पाया तो फादर का बिजनेस है ही. Again, no hate to business, business बहुत अच्छी बात होती है, अगर बिजनेस है तो कर लो. But point is that there is like cushioning that is there. So there is not a lot of stake. मतलब आपको ना skin in the game करनी है. You have to have that kind of a narrative कि यार ये like make or break situation आनी चाहिए आपके लिए. There's a cushioning, there's a comfort zone, there is a thing that okay ये नहीं तो ये सही, ये नहीं तो ये सही. तो ऐसे ऐसे situations में ना क्या होता है कि you don't give your best, and I think that that is the reason why you are feeling unprepared or you will not be prepared properly, is because there is this kind of a thing in your mind that if this doesn't happen then that will happen. So automatically you're cutting out your chances by giving yourself this kind of a escape route. So there's an escape route that is there for you, which actually is not very healthy for you currently. Right? Anything else? Important energies are here. Anything else? Anything else? Anything else? Please, God. Yeah, even you have gotten a 10 of wands. Everybody is getting a 10 of wands these days. And 6 of wands. Like I feel like there are places where you are where you do get serious, where you feel like यार मैंने तो बिल्कुल पढ़ाई नहीं करी है, and you do want to change that kind of a pattern, but people around you don't let it happen. मतलब I feel like there are so many distractions that are there in your life right now, which are मतलब आप पढ़ोगे भी ना तो आपके जो कंपनी है ना, your company you need to fix. Your company will pull you down and be like यार क्या पढ़ रहा है, और पता है आपकी कंपनी आपको पुल डाउन कर रही है, खुद प्रॉपर टाइप पढ़ेगी. हाँ आपके दोस्त आपको बोले चलना कोई बात नहीं, मैंने भी नहीं पढ़ा लेकिन उन्होंने पढ़ा हुआ है. तो देखो इस पूरे सिचुएशन में आप पढ़ाई नहीं कर पा रहे हो, लेकिन जो पढ़ रहे हैं ना वो तो पढ़ रहे हैं भाई. सो आई डेफिनेटली फील लाइक देयर इज दिस काइंड ऑफ अ सीरियसनेस दैट यू हैव, दैट यू कैन अनलॉक. देयर इज दिस काइंड ऑफ अ रियलिटी चेक दैट यू डू वांट टू गिव योरसेल्फ, बट इट जस्ट लाइक एज आई टोल्ड यू, इंटेंसिटी बहुत ऊपर या बहुत नीचे, राइट? एक स्टेडीनेस नहीं है. मतलब आप बहुत ही कभी कभी बहुत ही ज्यादा ही सीरियस हो जाओगे, कभी कभी इतने लेट बैक हो जाओगे, मतलब इट कोई नामो निशान नहीं है. एंड somewhere I feel like with this card there are two things that is coming to me. Firstly, if you are wanting to study in a group setting, ठीक है, अगर combined studies करनी है करो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, लेकिन ensure that उसमें से आप सबसे बेस्ट पढ़ाई करो. दूसरों की like what happens, what is happening, what can happen is that in group setting बातचीत अगर आपने कर ली तो एक जो बंदा ना वो चुपचाप बैठ के सब कुछ पढ़ रहा है एंड उसको सब कुछ आता है. So if you're studying in a group environment, if you're wanting to do that, there's no harm in it, but ensure that you are the best. The second point is success level is coming to you as long as you ensure that you don't utilize or you don't get involved with the people that are around you, don't get into a wrong company, you trust your abilities and you trust your instincts and you trust your your memorizing power. So success is within your reach. I don't think that you are not going to pass, you're going to pass, but it is going to be in a मतलब धक्के खा खा के, मतलब बहुत ही मतलब ऊपर नीचे कर करके you are able to crack this examination. Anything else that is coming to me? 8 of wands. See, so many wands energy में सारे ही wands आ गए. Ace आ गया, 9 आ गया, 10 आ गया, 6 आ गया, 8 आ गया. मतलब आई फील लाइक यू हैव सच ग्रेट इंटेंस लाइक अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ थिंग्स कि मतलब आपको एक चीज़ आपने समझ ली तो आप समझ जाते हो. लाइक इफ यू स्टडी समथिंग यू विल बी एबल टू पिक इट अप वेरी इजीली. विद द 8 ऑफ वांड्स आल्सो आपके दिमाग में ऐसे कोई कंफ्यूजन नहीं रहता है. दैट्स व्हाई यू आर ओवर एस्टिमेटिंग योरसेल्फ, क्योंकि आपको पता है कि आप बहुत अच्छा पढ़ाई करते हो, आप बहुत इंटेलिजेंट हो, यू आर एबल टू स्टडी वेरी क्रिएटिवली ऑल्सो. आप क्रिएटिवली पढ़ाई करते हो, आप बहुत ही यूनिक तरीके से पढ़ाई करते हो. एंड विद द 8 ऑफ वांड्स आई फील लाइक देयर इज ऑलवेज दिस काइंड ऑफ like what I'm getting with this energy is that there is a kind of clarity when you're studying. मतलब दिमाग जब आप बैठाते हो ना, I'm getting this energy where you're kind of like that kind of a student who doesn't study for a lot of time, but when you study properly. मतलब ये आ रहा है, like you study very very well. Again with the 8 of wands, stay away from social media भाई. phone call messages, text messages, BBMs, please cut. Snapchat, no snap streak भाई, snap streak हटाओ. Please don't be on your Instagram, don't be on your phone, because it's going to be very very brutal. And also with the 8 of wands here, I also want to tell that have a vision. Like even with the previous pile I wanted to tell this, and I'm telling you this also, कि have a vision कि आप क्यों कर रहे हो, क्या कर रहे हो. एक sense of groundedness लानी चाहिए आपको कि क्या आप जेन्युइनली इंटरेस्टेड हो इस एग्जामिनेशन में, कि आप सिर्फ देने के लिए दे रहे हो, कि मतलब हाँ भाई देना ही है तो ऐसे कर रहे हो, कि आपका इंटरेस्ट किसी और चीज़ में है. सो जस्ट बी वेरी लाइक sure of what is the purpose behind why you're giving this examination and what it has in store for you basically, right? So that is what it is important to you. Now let's see from this deck, what is it that you need to focus on? Anything else? Anything else? What is it that you need to focus on? Interesting. I think that every single subject or whatever topic that you're studying, you have to bring in that kind of a like you cannot be lethargic basically. आपको हर दिन, every day you have to show up for yourself. It's a consistency energy, right? I feel like there is a place in which you have this kind of a tendency जहाँ पे आप जब पढ़ाई कर रहे होते हो ना, it's very like it's very like you're in a you push yourself in a very intense zone कि मतलब भाई बिल्कुल ही मतलब चीर फाड़ कर देनी है, ऐसे मत पढ़ाई करो, कंसिस्टेंटली पढ़ाई करो, रिलैक्स माइंडसेट से पढ़ाई करो, राइट? एंड डोंट लाइक देयर इज एन एनर्जी वेयर यू हैव लॉट ऑफ परफेक्ट मोमेंट्स कि हाँ ओके व्हेन दिस टाइम हैपेंस, ये टाइम पे मैं पढ़ाई करूंगा, जब 6 बज जाएंगे तब मैं पढ़ाई करूंगा, नहीं नहीं 6:15 पे पढ़ाई करूंगा, 6:07 पे कौन पढ़ाई करता है, 6:21 पे कौन पढ़ाई करता है, कि बहुत ही अजीब व गरीब सिचुएशंस लाते हो अपने दिमाग में कि हाँ इस टाइम पे ही मैं पढ़ाई करूंगा, जब मैं खाना खाऊंगा और फिर सब लोग सो जाएंगे रात को 11 बजे आई विल स्टडी बिकॉज आई एम अ नॉक्टर्नल. इट डजंट मेक सेंस. स्टडी व्हेन यू हैव टाइम, यू नो, लाइक जस्ट डू इट. बहुत ज़्यादा आप सोच विचार में घूमते रहते हो एंड इट्स जस्ट दैट यू आर डिसअपॉइंटिंग योर ओन सेल्फ एट द एंड ऑफ द डे बिकॉज नथिंग हैपेंस एक्चुअली. स्टडीज डोंट हैपन लाइक दैट. Yeah, I feel like you will be able to find help if you want help ना. अगर आपको family help चाहिए या अगर आपको चाहिए कि यार कोई नाश्ता बना दे, यार somebody should just come and support you, somebody could just teach you something properly, you will be able to find help. Like even if you go to your teachers, if you go to even like your friends, like if they are your truest friends, they will be able to help you, right? The problem is that if you decide that you will be able to cross the bridge without preparing, without studying properly, or thinking that okay I know it and I'm done, like मेरे को आता है सब कुछ, तो ये problem unsuccessful हो सकती है. So be very very aware of what lies in store for you. Okay, anything else? I feel like whatever topics you know are tricky, right? जो भी tricky topics हैं, उनको आप इस तरह से मतलब पढ़ाई करो कि आपको रात में भी याद रहे. लाइक वट एवर द टॉपिक्स आर, इट्स नॉट लाइक यू टू स्टडी ऑल टॉपिक्स. द ट्रिकिएस्ट टॉपिक्स, द टॉपिक्स दैट आर एक्चुअली यू नो दैट दीज आर द मोस्ट, मतलब ये आएंगे ही आएंगे, उसको आप लाइक यू जस्ट हैव टू रिमेंबर इट till your dying breath, matlab literally like that, you know, because I'm sensing that there is a possibility that whatever you've prepared, all of it will not come, but whatever you've not prepared na, that will 100% come. जो आपने prepare करा है वो तो चलो ठीक है आपको आता है, जो आपको नहीं prepare करा ना वो तो 100% आएगा. Remember I showed you that 9 of cups energy, this energy, right? एक तो टॉपिक ऐसा आएगा जो आपने नहीं पढ़ा है, आप अपने आप को रिग्रेट करोगे कि भाई मैंने क्यों नहीं वो टॉपिक पढ़ा. दैट विल डेफिनेटली हैपन. ओके, सो प्रिपेयर योरसेल्फ अकॉर्डिंगली. I also feel like during this examination or while this examination period was happening, there was some kind of a breaking of something, like breaking of a friendship, breaking of a relationship, and that is added onto your restlessness, and that is added onto your feeling of नहीं मुझे नहीं पढ़ाई करनी है, I need to fix this, you know, situation, I need to first get my personal life on track, तब जाके मैं पढ़ाई करूँगी या करूँगी, उसके पहले तो मैं focus ही नहीं कर पाऊँगी, you know. So I feel like there is this kind of a shift or a change that has happened in your personal life that has impacted your studies, that has led you to be a little too aloof with your studies. Because I do believe that you are a bright kid. Matlab, I feel like even in your childhood you were a top 3, you know, like आप बहुत ही bright kid थे. But I feel like this distractions really got the better of you, and there was a lot of involvement and interference of friends, family, social media, phone, and all of that, that almost made you lose your spark. I'm getting that energy कि spark थोड़ा सा lose हुआ है. So even like right now I feel like your studies could have been very very good, but I don't know, I'm getting this energy जहाँ पे कुछ personal life में कुछ झटका मिला है, and now that is becoming an excuse for you. It's almost like now you have lost the interest in studying because your entire mind is consumed by that one particular loss that is happening in your life. So be aware, you know, क्योंकि this is once in a lifetime opportunity. इसके बाद examination कभी आएगा नहीं. You know, you can at least look back into this conversation after 2 months 3 months कि ठीक है यार अब बता मुझे क्या है. So again, like that is something that you have to keep in mind. Anything else? I feel like, you know what, if you're wanting to study, again I'll mention this, कि जब आप पढ़ाई कर रहे हो ना, if you take help from not your friends but from a stranger, like if this is somebody who you not know, maybe in your class, maybe in your क्या बोलते हैं intuition, institution center में जो आप पढ़ाई कर रहे हो, या even if it is somebody online, like study with somebody that you don't know, because there will not be any kind of a distraction, there will be nothing to converse about, and there will be a level of kind of a you know कि there'll also be a feeling where आपका सीन रियलिटी में कैसे, आप कहाँ खड़े हो, क्योंकि अगर आप अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ कंपेयर करोगे तो ठीक है, आप अच्छा ही कर ही रहे हो, बट इफ यू कंपेयर योरसेल्फ विद एक्चुअली द कंपटीशन दैट इज अराउंड यू, देन यू विल नो वेयर यू स्टैंड. सो इफ यू जस्ट हैव अ कन्वर्सेशन विद अ स्ट्रेंजर एंड यू टेल आस्क दिस पर्सन कि मैंने कितना पढ़ाई करा है, कितना हुआ है, मे बी गो ऑन रेडिट एंड हैव अ कन्वर्सेशन विद रिगार्ड्स टू योर एग्जामिनेशंस, whether it is CAT, GMAT, ZAT, whatever, and ask them, okay, how much you've prepared or how much you've done or whatever. Then you realize that where you stand. Matlab, I feel like there is a need for you to get a reality check, and that will only come when you are able to be face to face with some kind of a stranger in your life. Okay, so that is what is coming to me. Let's see from this deck as well what else is coming to you, what else is happening in your examinations. I do believe that if you crack this examination, you will get famous, right? Relatives will be like, oh my god, this person is a doctor, hamari pehli doctor, family ki pehli doctor. Yeah, your friends will be like, yeah, this person has cracked this amazing college, we are so proud. Some of your relatives will be like, ha, ye to videsh ja raha hai ya videsh ja rahi hai. So I feel like you'll gain fame if you crack this examination, like automatically. Yeah, I do believe that this examination, whether you crack this or not, it's definitely impacting and helping your skills. It's definitely teaching you a lot, and that's why I said that please learn it in that spirit. Learn whatever you're studying, अंडरस्टैंड इट कि यार ये आपको लाइफ लॉन्ग हेल्प करने वाला है. इट्स नॉट जस्ट अ मैटर ऑफ दिस 1 month or 2 months or 3 months. It's a lifelong process, right? And the only way you will feel detached is if you're not serious enough. So start being serious, start thinking about this as a confidence rebuilding, right? So think of it that for life it will help you, and when you think about it that way, right, automatically you'll feel confident about examinations. You'll feel like यार मेरे को पसंद है जो मैं पढ़ रहा हूँ या पढ़ रही हूँ, मेरे को पसंद है ये, तो मैं तो कर ही लूंगा, राइट? हार्मनी विल रिटर्न. आई फील लाइक इफ यू फॉलो दिस रीडिंग, ऑटोमेटिकली यू विल बी एबल टू गेट दैट हार्मनी बैक, जो एक थोड़ा सा काइंड ऑफ एक anxious energy थी which was coming with so many wands. I think that sense of balance, that sense of harmony will return to you. This is fated. I'm telling you, luck is on your side. I also had gotten a wheel of fortune right here. So this is fated. Fate is going to be in your favor. Luck is going to be in your favor. But just because luck is in your favor, that doesn't mean that you don't let that you don't give luck the best amount of chances for yourself, right? Jitna fortune favors the brave, simple as that. Fortune favors the brave. So study properly, study seriously, fortune will favor you, right? Anything else coming from here? Let's see. यहाँ पे भी देख लेते हैं हम कुछ information. Universe's guidance. Universe's guidance. Yeah, I feel like honestly this is not an advice, but this is a thing that you're thinking ki whatever the outcome is, you are going to be fine, right? For example, if you clear the examination, it's great. If you don't clear the examination, trust me, this skill will be helping you in wherever you go. Although you're gonna pass, ठीक है, मेरे को लग रहा है कि आप पास हो जाओगे, बट अगर नहीं पास हुए ना तो उसको ये समझो कि कोई बात नहीं यार, मैंने एक बहुत ही अच्छा एग्जाम देने की कोशिश करी. आई रीस्टडीड whatever was supposed to be understood by me, and I gave my all, and that realization will always be with you, right? That आप समझ में आएगा आपको कि यार nothing, no knowledge gets wasted, guys. No knowledge ever goes to waste. मतलब I till this date will remember the concept, not remember, but I am so glad that I picked up science in my 11th-12th, because I have that kind of a like a thinking, like a logical thinking, कि मैं question करती हूँ हर चीज़ को कि क्यों ऐसा है, क्या ऐसा है, right? I question everything, whatever I'm studying. Even tarot I would question, what is the science behind it, and that helps me to think to think in a clear manner, to think in a not in a blinded way, but in an aware manner. So whatever you're studying will come handy, and that is what you need to understand. Ki, yes, this examination is important. Yes, you have to crack this examination, but this beautiful amount of knowledge, you're so lucky to get it. Some people are dying for this education, man, and don't ever get it. So you should be very, very happy and grateful for the opportunities that are coming to you. Okay? Anything else? It's time to take action. I'm telling you, you have to just go fierce. You have to go at it. There's nothing that you can do to take a break now. So I definitely feel like it's time for you to now, मेरे को ये last leg लग रहा है, your commitment is being tested. I'm telling you, this is now your testing time. अगर आपने अब नहीं दिखाया effort, then it is going to be a big problem, right? So start getting locked in. This is an energy of getting locked in. One last energy that I need to kind of see for you. Start gaining perspective. आपको perspective लाने की जरूरत है. It's like I'll tell you what, right? Perspective क्या होता है? Perspective ये होता है कि यार मैं कहाँ हूँ, मैं कहाँ जा रहा हूँ, मैं कैसे जा रहा हूँ, राइट? अभी आप किस पे फोकस कर रहे हो कि मैं कहाँ जा रहा हूँ, बस इसी पे फोकस है, right? You have to understand why you're doing it, what is it, how you're going ahead with it. Gain perspective, give an overall picture of where you stand, what is your study preparation like, how you're going to giving examinations, what is the benchmark, what is the, you know, what is it that is expected out of you, how much are you studying, how little are you studying, how well prepared are you, how much you're retaining the information, how much are you regaining the information. Everything has to be maintained. You cannot take it lightly. तो आपको ये पर्सपेक्टिव गेन करना पड़ेगा. आप बच्चों जैसे पढ़ाई मत करो, right? So you have to be very very hands on with regards to your studies. That's why it's saying that it's time to take action. आपको लग रहा है आप एक्शन ले रहे हो, लेकिन आप like you're taking action which is half hearted. You're doing 50% of the hard work, but you're not giving that commitment. मैंने कहा था ना, commitment, 9 of wands, commitment नहीं दे रहे हो भाई आप. commitment दो commitment. Okay, so that is what it is for you. All right, now let's see with my dice. This is going to tell you whether you're going to crack this examination or not. Crystal clear answer भाई ना, maybe कुछ नहीं है, yes no में जवाब दो तो आपको मिलेगा. Okay, so let's see what is it that you, okay, you have got 6 plus 2 8. The 8 number here is telling you that you will be able to crack, but you have to be very very patient. बहुत पेशेंस दिखाना पड़ेगा आपको. When I told you that you have a night energy, I'm telling you you have to show like breathe. बहुत ही ज़्यादा जल्दबाजी में पढ़ाई, बहुत ही ज़्यादा हाफ हार्टेड पढ़ाई. You are not giving time for grounded energies. You're not letting the information seep into your brain. Be patient with your studies. Be consistent with your studies. Yes, you'll clear it, but you have to be patient. Yes, you'll be able to crack this examination, but you have to let that information sink in. You have to be patient. You have to be dedicated, and you have to take that kind of a absorption. Absorb करो information को, absorb करो, retain करो, retain and regain. So I'm getting a yes. 8 number है, it's a yes energy, but Saturn है ना. हेलो, सैटर्न एनर्जी है. सैटर्न क्या बोलता है भाई, तुम्हें तो टेस्ट करूंगा मैं. तो सैटर्न की एनर्जी क्या बोलती है? सैटर्न की एनर्जी बोलती है कि अगर आपके एक्शंस करेक्ट हैं, डेडिकेटेड हैं, तो भाई आपको कोई नहीं रोक सकता. सो नंबर 8 की एनर्जी, यू कुड बी नंबर 8 बॉर्न, यू कुड बी सैटर्न, यू कुड बी कैप्रिकॉर्न, एक्वेरियस, कुछ भी हो सकते हो आप. आपको ये समझने की जरूरत है कि जब आप डेडिकेटेड करोगे, when you are able to take that seriousness, when you're serious about things, look, Saturn is telling you to be serious, okay? Saturn doesn't like joking around. Saturn is not good with jokes. Saturn is not good with distractions. Saturn only looks at your honest effort. When you're putting that honest effort and genuine honest effort, ना, मुझे बताओ honestly effort कर रहे हो आप? मुझे नहीं लगता. So when you put that honest effort, you will be able to get that result that you're hoping for. So that is what it is for you, my lovely pile number B, pile number 2, pile B, and let me know whether you're able to crack this examination. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगेगा if you are able to actually clear it. Let me know what your goal is. Are you a NEET aspirant? Are you engineering student? क्या है, क्या scene है? And yeah, I will see you soon. Please like, save, share, comment on this video, and subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon. Hype this video. Please support me. If you want to book a personal session, you can always do so. All the information is in my description below. And I will see you soon in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.